Hello people and welcome back, and as you can see, today we are doing an FX video because we are officially in pre-Halloween season, my Christmas, and this is what we are doing. So here we go. Let's start off. I start off with a makeup eye look using my favorite palette at the moment, the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I just did like a series of blues and purples mixed in with a little green, just something bright and fun to spice up the look. And with this video I was going for a somewhat of a pretty zombie sort of look just to start off with. It's been a while since I've done anything FX, almost a year now, so I figured let's start with something simple. A little bit of liquid latex, a little bit of tissue, very simple, very easy. Do a makeup look to bring it all together, and voila. A very simple, very easy Halloween costume, if you will. Anyone can do it, as long as you're not allergic to latex, of course. And if you are, you could just use scar wax. A little more difficult, but still the same effect. So in that middle, of course, I'm just going in with a little bit of green from the BH Cosmetics palette, and that is Ultimate. And then under that, I'm just going in with a little more green, which is Palooza, which is like a matte seafoam green. And a little bit of liner to bring it all together. But what I'm most excited about is the FX part of this, because it's been so long since I've even touched my fake blood, so I was dying to get a hold of that. And that's the makeup all done, and then we're going in with the fun stuff. So I went ahead and went in with this latex, which I ordered off of Amazon, which I get most of my stuff from Amazon because it's really fast and easy. And I'm just layering thin layers of tissue with the latex, and I'm just using a disposable sponge. And to speed up the process, I used a blow dryer to make it hurry up and dry, so I didn't have time to sit there all day. And then I went in with one of my tools and just started creating rips and holes in the latex. And next I'm going in with my Mehron Pro Color Ring in Bruise 505B, and I also got this from Amazon as well. And next I'm going in with some foundation that's just a Revlon. I believe it's in Cappuccino. It's a little bit darker than my actual skin tone to better cover the latex. And then I went in with more of my Mehron Pro Coloring, and with that I used the burnt maroon. I started off with a brush, but then I remembered it's better applied with my fingers to better create like a smudge, to create like more of like an infection, irritation. It's more of what I was going for. And with this look I was really thinking about, like, you're beautiful on the outside, but then you're rotten on the inside. Eventually it's going to come out, and that's what happened. And then I went in with a little bit of green again to add more of a dimension, more of like an infected sort of thing, like mucus sort of deal. And I just added that a little sparingly. And then I went in with my blood paste, and this is graftobian blood paste. Also got it off Amazon. And actually put those inside of the wounds to make it seem like they were like deeper. And I did the same thing on my face. Went in with more foundation. And with my carving tool. It actually does look like skin right there. It's so weird. But I love watching this part. Just because it looks like skin. And it kind of looks like I'm just like stabbing myself in the face and carving it out. But it's all makeup kits, it's fine. It's fine. Just be careful when you're doing this. The tool I'm using is pretty blunt. It's not sharp at all. I really couldn't find my sharp ones and I didn't feel like looking for them. So that was fine. That's why it took me a minute to do it. But also I didn't want to stab myself in the face either. So it's probably for the best. I couldn't find the sharp ones. And it is the same thing on my face, just went in with more of the burnt maroon. Then I started to spackle on just a little bit of black. Again, to add more dimension and some green. Then went again with the blood paste as well. And I'm just filling the holes with some black from the Pro Coloring too, again to make it seem like they were deeper than what they were. And again, some of the green. So basically, just wanted this video to be like a quick introduction of what's to come. I'm going to do a lot more FX videos, even though YouTube doesn't like to monetize them. I don't care right now. It's just what I want to do right now, especially since Halloween's coming up. And I wasn't able to do anything at all last year because of school and finals. And I think I had midterms like right around Halloween, so I wasn't able to do anything. So I'm kind of gonna go a little crazy this year. And right there, I'm going in with some of the blood gel, and this is by Kangaroo. I also got this off Amazon as well. And next, I went in with a little bit of black under my eyes, because I mean, if you're infected, you're gonna be upset about it. I would be. That would suck. And I'm just going in with a little bit of black and some red and some green just to create like some veins to make it seem like the infection is spreading, it's coming to the surface, all that good stuff. And I'm also like dabbing it out to make it, you know, seem like it's somewhat faded, like it's coming through. And I wanted it to be a little bloodier, so I started adding a little bit more blood gel. And it's like just the right consistency. It's not too much and it's not too little. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, it's a very quick, very simple, very easy Halloween costume if you choose to do it. And it's really not expensive at all to do this. I mean, you can do this and be a zombie, be whatever. Or even add it to the costume that you're doing. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.